Hi, what's up guys? My name is Paul. Welcome to Sal Digitals. Now today I'm going to show you the latest features in Movavi video editor that will change the way you edit your videos. I'm going to show you the new feature of highlight and overlay feature that is going to change the way you edit videos. I'm also going to show you some of the aspects we're going to use in the intro. So stay tuned. But before we begin, go to the description section and you download the software. I've just inserted the link. I've just inserted the download link of the software in the description section. You can also subscribe to my channel and also share it with your friends. Now let's begin. Now I have two videos here that I'm going to use for demonstration. So I'll just drag one of them in my timeline here. Then I don't want to use the sound. I'll just come and delete it. Select the sound or the audio of the video. I'll just delete it. I just want to use the video. The next thing I'm going to do, I'll come here and show the new feature. So I'll come here under tools. Then I'll just come and I'll look for somewhere called highlights. Where is it? Okay, I'll go under videos here. Then I'll look for highlights here. Then I'll select my video. Now the normal highlights are these ones here. Now maybe I want to highlight a vehicle here that I want to show people the movement. So what will I do? I want to use maybe something like this here. So maybe I'll just place my this one aspect here. Maybe my vehicle of interest maybe is this one here. So I'll just zoom it here, this highlight here. Then this is the new property. This is the new features that is there in the latest Movavi video editor. If I come to help here, if I come to about here, the latest 2.3 Movavi. Now that is the latest feature, the motion. They've introduced a motion on highlights. So what am I going to do? There's this. If you read here, place a mask on an object and select the tracking method. Now there are three options here. Quick, suitable for static objects. I'm not going to use this. I'm going to use this one, suitable for dynamic objects. Dynamic objects are objects that are moving, like vehicles. Maybe you are running, or people are running, or maybe. And then there's artificial intelligence here. Maybe this one I'll show you next time. But for now, I want us to track using the precise suitable for dynamic. So I just click here. I want to track this vehicle so that when it moves, the highlights move with the vehicle so that people see. Maybe is somebody who's running away from the police and you want to show people how they are running away in a video. So I just press track. Then you'll give it a few seconds. It will just track your video. After a few minutes, now let's see how it has tracked. Let's just play to see. You see, it is tracking this vehicle here. So that is the latest feature in mobile video editor. Let me play again so that you see. There you can see the vehicle is it is being tracked just like that. So the next thing, make sure you go to the description section and download the software so that you get these features or you update your mobile video editor. So the next aspect I'm going to show you, the next features is under here. So I'm going to show you under, you just come to filters here, then you go to overlays. Now there are new features on the overlay here that you can use for your intro videos. For example, let's say I want, let me just pull this one. Let me click this one so that I can pull this one here. Let me insert another vehicle scenes or another video of vehicles. So I'll come here under filters. Then there are these new features here. There's one that I like called lights laser, where if I just come here and insert it, you can use it especially if you want to make intro videos. Maybe later on I'll show you how to use it. You can see it has this shimmering aspect about it. If I want to remove it, I'll just come here, then I'll just go back here, maybe try another one. Maybe let's try this. Let's see how it will be. Yeah, you see how it makes your videos. I think this is some of these things can be used in intros. Let me just undo by Control Z. Let me try another one, maybe this one here. Let's see how it will be. Let's play. Yeah, most of these things you can use them for intros. Let me try. There's also this one here for maybe something to do with vertical frame. Let's see. This one works especially if you are going to use something in your phone, maybe a vertical video can work. So well, let me undo. Let me try the last one, maybe the first one here. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, So guys, those are some of the features that are new in Movavi Video Editor. Now all you need to do, just go to the description section, get the download link and download it. But also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also you can share it with your friends. See you in the next video.